When someone's child is diagnosed with cancer, that's very unsettling, to say the least. That was not supposed to happen, not in the plan. And what a family comes to terms with in the first week is that their whole life has just changed.
Why Me goes above and beyond in trying to help us as a family, whether it's bringing home-cooked meals up to the hospital or setting up a meal train to be delivered to your house. You know, sometimes they can help with expenses like that, and those things mean a lot to a family who's going through a significant time of crisis.
You know, obviously we have Sherry's house where some families can live, but that's a small part of what we do. So a lot of the families live locally in our community and will participate in different events and support groups that we have. So there's really a range of services that different families pull upon in their time of need. Just look at these children who are going through so much, have joy in their lives and just want to be kids, and it doesn't matter, you know, what treatment they just went through or if they were feeling crappy earlier. You know, they are happy to see their friends and they're happy just to be kids, and it's so inspiring. And I think as adults we can learn a lot from, you know, these children and these families, that despite all that they're going through, they still are joyful.
When those kids come here, they're able to play and just be a kid, where they can't quite do that in the hospital. And a lot of these children can't go to school, preschool, daycare. So when they come to Why Me, they're in a safe place.
I'm a Why Me family going back to 1993. I've remained involved with Why Me all these years. Now I'm on staff. That wasn't something I anticipated ever doing. Working with other families through the course of their treatment and possibly through bereavement.
So I've been sick for about almost 3 years. Either the long time that I've been here, I had leukemia. So when I was in Peru, they didn't do chemo a lot in Peru. Sometimes they did chemo, but they say to my mom that I was not responding to the chemos. So they told her I might die, or if she don't run to another country, I will get more sick, or maybe I will die. So my mom did the good thing to bring me here to America, and I'm in love with America.
Now, typically, that's where the community also comes in, because we partner with the community to provide donated services on behalf of families. Anything that we can get donated to solve a need and is something that we don't have to pay for, you know, that's efficient for the family. It helps the community get involved and also helps with our funding.
One of the things that's really special about Why Me is that as your child progresses through treatment, and regardless of outcome of the situation, you always remain a Why Me family, and they are always there for your family, parents, all the kids, when you need them. What I didn't realize was the amount of support that we would get, not just from Why Me, but from the other families that had a child with cancer. We started coming here for special events, and that's where we got to meet other families and hear their stories and have people give us hope. They give you hope, they give you experiences, and they tell you, you know, how things were for them, and that might guide you as to what to expect. Now that my son is 12 and he's doing well, I'm able to give back to other families and newer families that are coming in here. And you know, many of the parents do that through the support groups that Why Me offers. So as a Why Me family, we always stay a Why Me family. And although Christian's done with treatment and doing well, we are now all able to give back.
Once a Why Me family, always a Why Me family. Because this is an organization that was founded, conceived, and run to this day by parents who went through this experience with their own children, they understand that this is not a quick story.
Why Me is always gonna be there for you. The people from downstairs are gonna be there for you, talk with you. They're gonna be honest. They're gonna show you love, and your son or your daughter what is passing through. And yeah, the last thing that we need to do is just keep fighting. Keep fighting.